ASU students have been back in class since August 20th, and the number of cases on the 4 campuses has been growing. The university is keeping track of data online, reporting current cases, but not cumulative ones.
And this is causing some to question if university officials are being transparent enough. Team 12's Josh Sanders asked ASU President Michael Crow about transparency. And Josh, President Crow says that the university is reporting what they believe to be important, specifically for the Sun Devil community.
That's right. President Crow says ASU is using all of their resources, including testing and daily health check-ins required for students and faculty on campus. That while the university is looking for ways to slow the spread of COVID-19. ASU President Michael Crow speaking to the numbers after the university has been less than transparent about its COVID case count. It's only publicly reporting current cases and not cumulative, unlike state and county health.
So remember, our report is not a public health report. Our report is a report on the status of the operation of the university.
Since August, the university has tested more than 43,000 students and employees. And as of Sunday, 807 students were known to be positive, with 146 isolating on campus. ASU researchers are randomly testing the Sun Devil community in order to accurately identify if the virus is spreading. But that takes time.
To get a good random sampling, we have to kind of sample. There are some that are in residence halls. There are some that are at home. There are faculty members. There are people all over.
President Crow says as of now, the numbers are trending in the right direction, but the university will pivot if numbers increase. And he says the public will see those numbers. The university says they'll start adding that cumulative number of cases along with new cases and numbers of those being released from quarantine on their website. We're in downtown Phoenix. Josh Sanders, 12 News.